Hi and welcome to Premier Literacy's final tutorial on Write Now. In this video we're going to focus on the writing stats feature built into the program. So what I've done is I've gone ahead and copied the company information from the readingmadeeasy.com website, the Premier Literacy home. And all we're going to do is we're going to go right up here and we're going to click on Writing Stats to start off the tutorial. So it just takes a moment to analyze the text in there and we get this window coming up. So what we have here is we have the number of sentences, which is 17, the average sentence length, which is 24.1 words, total unique words, 248, total words in the document are 414, the average word length is 6 characters, and we also get a grade level ranking for the ease of reading. So we've got the reading ease level index here, so we can compare our rankings in that. We actually see that this article may be somewhat difficult to read. So we can also put a check in here for the list below. We've got all the different words that appear in here and how many times they occur, as well as if they may be a confusable or have other words that could be associated as confusables. We can put a check in this box here so it only shows confusables. Let's move that back up. And we can display words only used one time. Display the words used 2 times. Of course, the list gets shorter as we do that. As we get up there in the list, it's only our more common joining words that get in there. So the writing stats tool can be very useful to us, especially if we're trying to flesh out our vocabulary. If we want to, say, look at how many times we've used a word in a document, it's all right here in the list. If we want to kind of have an idea of the words we're using more often and may want to substitute for different words just for variation, then we can use this tool to see which words that we might want to change. So for example, if we feel like we're using the word are too much in the document, we might want to go ahead and change that. But it can also be very useful for us to see where those words are used in the document, just so we can kind of get an idea of where we might be able to substitute it for a different word. So I've gone ahead and I've made the highlight color yellow, and we're just going to click on highlight word. So as we go through the document here, we now see all instances of are being highlighted, and if we wanted to, we could highlight those, pick the thesaurus, and possibly find a better word that might be more suitable in the sentence. We can go back into writing stats if we wish. We can pick a different word, maybe and. We can highlight that in blue. And there you go. So we may be able to go in and substitute the word and for different words or just eliminate it. So it's a very useful tool in improving our vocabulary in this way. So that's all for the writing stats feature built into Write Now. You can view more support videos online at www.readingmadeeasy.com. I'd like to thank you for watching.